Riu orere a Kenya maracakaya gikuo kia Reggae Queen Fire Mama Jambi Koikai uria wahurokire muthenya wa ira. Yet again the country has been thrown into deep mourning thutha wa gikuo kingi kiria onakio kimakitie aingi muno na kumatiga mena ihoru. Mundu ungi wigweta na wingumu muno guku bururi-ini ni arikitie kuhuruka, a politician na erekanite gukora mucii gwake akuite. No mbere yo tukirora undu ungi watiga aingi muno mahotetwo na guku ni mathiko-ini ma guka wa Shiko Shix, popular tiktoker Shiko Shix uria urakorirwo akilose guka wao, na Shiko Shix akirorera mwiri wa guka wao bidding farewell for the last time. Ni akorwo akihotwo muno na kurira muno ona nginya agikomera ithanduku ategwitikia guka is gone forever, na akirira muno na akimukaira muno na gutiga a Kenya na mafans na mashabiki ake mahotetwo ona no makimumiria na njira nene muno makimuhoera thayo na hinya muthenya wa umuthi, na onake kugerera nenda yake ni ukoretwo ahoya Ngai akorwo akimuhe hinya tondu it is not an easy day for her today, na mafans makimuiga mahoya-ini muno. And we too pray for God's comfort, God's strength upon Shiko Shix ona nginya family yake muthenya uyu wa umuthi guka wao arohuruka uhoro. Na riu kuri ndeto ingi tigite a Kenya na kimako shortly after the sad news of the passing of Jambi Koikai. Ni kurari na gikuo kingi kirahanikire mutongoria na politician we gato muno uria wageire ngumutho wa gikuo kia muthuri wake uria onake ario politician wa ward ya Huruma, no agikorwo nyumba gwake akuite kana he collapsed and died. Na riu onake mutumia wake Lucy Shomba was too found in her home yesterday morning estate ya West Indies in Eldoret. Gikuo gitigite aikari na kimako muno ona nginya a Kenya, na maabitha a borithi magikiuga they had to give more details on her death, no mani undu utigite a Kenya na ruo muno makimucakaya ta mutongoria urari wa mwanya muno. Moso uria akorirwo akirugama ithenya riria riragitigirwo ni muthuri wake na agikorwo akiingira utongoria-ini na politics na agikorwo agitongoria ward ya Huruma na njira ya mwanya muno. Kenyans have really mourned her and saluted her, na wakiremwo kuitha kia kiao to know that she is gone. Two deaths that have really left the country in painful mourning. Two great ladies both dying on the same day. Na pole sana to the family ya Lucy Shomba.